Hey Atini, welcome back to another YouTube reaction video. This is Unbeaten Reacts. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the channel host, you can call me Namu. Welcome here. And today is finally the day, the D-Day. The D-Day poster was released like 4-5 hours ago from when I'm reacting to this. So right now, just 5 minutes ago, the music video for Inception dropped. Now I don't know when they are releasing. Isn't this like album having a double title track, Inception and Thanks? I also reacted to the Inception versus Thanks performance previews. You can check them above. And both songs were really amazing. Both songs were super epic, but I somehow preferred a Thanks a bit more because Thanks had that fun, bouncy feeling and awesome. Inception, as far as I remember, was really mysterious and really savage kind of song, super powerful, super cold, super dark, which also I enjoyed really much, the performance preview. But both songs are really amazing. It's really hard to compare. So right now the Inception official music video has been dropped. I don't know if they are gonna drop the Thanks music video along with this or after this. When are they gonna drop? I don't know. I was planning to react to Thanks first, but yeah, I guess I'll just react to Inception. So without any further ado, let's just jump into this. If you are enjoying this, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel for further reactions, further 80s reactions. I'm gonna definitely react to Thanks tomorrow because the music video hasn't dropped yet. So yeah, let's just jump into this. Let's go. I didn't know KQ also had an intro. Ooh. Okay. Immediately jumped into the song. I remember this. Ooh, such a mysterious and cool vibe though. This song is so good. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. This part is kind of fast tempoed as well. Yup, raps were. Yeah. I love the rap verses in Inception though. Okay, vocals, come on. Ooh. Oh, the fast pace picking towards the chorus is so good. Ooh, so good. Oh, the dance. Oh, the choreo is also so powerful and so awesome. Ooh, oh, this background vocals. Oh, I remember everything just came back to me from my previous reaction. This song is so good. Ooh. Oh, this is different. Okay, dance break after the first verse. That is clearly not usual stuff. This is really different. It was a short dance break after the first chorus. This is strange. You don't see it commonly in many pop songs or K-pop genre as well. Yeah, K-pop is a genre. Get over it. Oh, oh, the deep voice rapping. Holy. Oh, his voice is so good. Especially the rapping, the rap flow combined with the deep and husky voice. Ooh. Oh, I love the pre-chorus build-up. Oh, it's so good. Oh, oh, this scene is awesome. The floor is water, but in the ceiling there's like fire or lava or whatever. Oh, this shot is so good. Ooh. Oh, I love the chorus. The background vocals. Oh, okay. Extended chorus. This song has a really weird pattern. They had a dance break after, like dance break sort of short beat drop or beat change after the first chorus. They have a second extended chorus. This is really interesting and really innovative. Oh my god! They are going off with the high notes. Ooh, so good. And especially in the background, so it's like you have normal verse going on, but there's a high note singing in the background. It's so good. Oh, water choreography also. Fire background, everything. It's so good. Wow, what was that? Okay, we have an outro scene. This was insane. This music video? Crazy. On further noticing of this song, this was such a dynamic song. This was such an unusual and such a, I guess it was a trial song. It was a, they were trying something new, they were trying something different. Of course, 80s has become now really, really famous, and they shouldn't be afraid of like following other group steps. They should try and diversify and try to find their own music styles and own stuff, which they are doing, and which I'm so glad and I'm so happy for them. This song was nothing like I've ever heard before. This had a really weird, not weird as in bad, but weird as in really shocking pattern slash I guess format of the song. There was a bunch of different stuff which really surprised me, like the dance break, the extended chorus, the I guess the extended chorus which led into the outro of the song. There wasn't like a bridge section at all, I guess. This was such an innovative song, I feel like, and I really enjoyed it for that itself. Of course, the song sounded really excellent as well. The dance was really good, the visuals were really good, the water scene, the water choreography, so good. Really enjoyed this. If you guys enjoyed this along with me, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel for further reactions, for the 80s reactions. I'm gonna definitely check out Thanks next, maybe tomorrow, so please stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Peace.